Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ananya Tripathi and I am a content creator. I have been creating content since past 1 year on Instagram. I will be linking my Instagram and all my social media accounts down in description below. So please make sure you follow me there. And recently I decided to start my YouTube channel. So here I am with my first ever video. I'll be making subtle and a very beautiful everyday makeup that I like to wear whenever I have to, rush down and go with my family somewhere. Well, it is a sudden plan and it's a daytime. I love to do this makeup because it goes so well with any type of attire that you wear, any color you wear. It is so beautiful. So without any further ado, let's start. So first I'll be using Good Vibes Mulberry Glow Toner, keeping it in a safe distance from my face. I'll be spraying it all over my face and then I'll let my skin soak it all so that my face stays hydrated throughout the day. Next, I'll be using the Bio Coconut Whitening and Brightening Moisturizer from Biotique. This is a moisturizer for all skin types, and guys, I use it on a daily basis because as you all know how important moisturizing is for our skin. I'll be applying it on my face and massage it deeply into my face so that my face stays moisturized throughout the day and there is no dryness on my face. Next, I'll be using Sugar Illuminating Moisturizer in shade Peach Poppy. This I'll be using to create a dewy effect on my face. This is an illuminating moisturizer that gives a dewy look to your face, and this definitely gives definition to your face. And you will see when I start massaging it on my face, there you go, you can see the glow of my face. It looks so beautiful and brings such a dewy effect to your face. And next I'll be using the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. I am in shade Sand. I'll be applying the concealer on my under eyes, mostly the darkened areas of my face, and then using this damp beauty blender. Yes guys, it is important, use a damp beauty blender, not a dry, not a wet one. And using the damp beauty blender, I'll be blending it all into my skin. One more important thing is that when you're doing a no makeup look, use a concealer of your own skin shade and not the one that is one tone lighter than your skin shade, because it will make you look too brightened up. Next, I'll be using Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Pencil to provide that perfect definition to my brows, because I'm a person that I cannot go without filling up my brows. I need my brows to be done every time I step out. Next, we'll be applying the NY Babe Contour Stick to provide that little definition to our face. We'll be applying it under our cheekbone and we'll be applying it on the nose to give our nose a definition. And using a damp beauty blender again, we will be blending it in, as we don't want harsh lines on our face as it is a no makeup look. We'll just be applying a little and blend it as much as possible. Next, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I am in shade 220. Using again a dark beauty blender, we will blend it all in, and we'll be using very minimal amount just in case you have darkened areas that you need to cover up with foundation, because as it is a no makeup look, we don't want to look like we have put too much of makeup. Next, using the Sugar Grand Finale Dewy Setting Mist and keeping it on a safe distance, we'll be spraying it over our face so that our makeup sets in properly, sits in place. Using your hand, you can fan them or else you can use the mirror like I did. It was the fastest way to let it dry. And next I'll be using the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air Pan Palette. First, as a transition shade, I'll be using the light brown shade onto my crease. With the help of a fluffy brush, I'll be defining my crease and blend all the color into the crease line. Next, I'll be using the light coral shade and dust off the extras and apply it all over my lid to give that soft, peachy, corally color to my eyes and blend it properly and make it sit into the place. Next, we'll be using the darker coral shade and the lighter coral shade both mixed and apply it in the lower waterline to bring that beautiful definition to my eyes. And then we'll be using a eyelash curler to curl up the eyelashes. As this is a natural makeup, I'm not gonna use false eyelashes. Then with the help of Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, we'll be applying 2 to 3 coats of mascara on our lower lash and upper lash. You can see the volume and the length that it gives. I'll zoom in the camera just so you can see how this mascara works. Next, we'll be using the Lakme 925 Natural Lipstick in shade Nude Pink. This is my absolute favorite shade because it sits well with any makeup look that you create, may it be colorful or may it be a subtle soft toned makeup look that you did. And voila! There we go with our soft, dewy, subtle toned, no makeup look. I hope you like the look that we just created right now. You can wear it daytime whether you're hanging out with your friends or going out with your family because it is very subtle, very beautiful and goes with all your outfit. And if you love the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like and comment on the video. And also let me know in the comment box below what you want me to create next. Thank you. Bye bye.